Barrel recycling is facilitated by a massive shredder, turning them into reusable metal. A robotic arm skillfully picks up individual bricks and arranges them in order on a conveyor belt, optimizing the construction material sorting process. Orchard pesticide application is enhanced with evenly distributed jet streams. A large press crushes cans of beer into compact cubes. Double-spouted chutes expedite wet cement pouring into wheelbarrows. Logs are thinly shaved for use in hardwood flooring and other purposes. The grip texture on ratchet handles is intricately imprinted by a precision tool. Wide streets with newly poured cement are efficiently smoothed by a large pavement finishing device. Bone grinding for fish food production is achieved with a powerful processing machine. Old asphalt roads are prepared for new paving with a demolishing tractor attachment. A suction tool specifically designed for dandelions makes harvesting them a breeze. Leftover dried food and green vegetation are ground into pellets for animal feed by a machine, turning waste into valuable nutrition in an eco-friendly process. Rectangular sponges dipped in white paint are used to create brick patterns on walls. mimicking actual bricks. Long metal tubes are transformed from cylindrical to rectangular shapes rapidly. Sheep are efficiently transported using fabric slides. The satisfying effect of an alligator print paint roller makes it compelling to watch. A high-pressure water jet machine has the capability to cut granite into any desired design. Rebar is easily cut by a machine that applies pressure after making a slight cut. Skillfully stripping the thick bark layer from a tree, a worker uses a specialized knife. Metal cooling during induction heating is managed by multi-directional water jets. Two automated arms wrap the root ball of a tree with ropes, securing it for shipping by rotating around it, ensuring the tree's stability during transport. The electric weed killer will definitely be a gift that pleases many gardeners. Whole watermelons and other fruits are shredded for animal feed using a robust shredding machine. Dirty roofs of cars are restored to clean states. Today, this robotic system does an excellent job of assessing the quality and maturity of fruits and vegetables. Palm trees are efficiently sliced by an excavator with a precise cutting attachment.